Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Welcome to this morning full-body yoga flow. Let's begin by centering ourselves and awakening our energy for the day ahead. Stand tall at the front of your mat. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. This is your moment of stillness. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale through your mouth, letting go of anything that doesn't serve you. Now inhale. Raise your arms up toward the sky. Stretch through your fingertips, lengthen your spine, and open your chest. Lift your gaze slightly upward. Feel the lightness in your body as the energy rises within you. Exhale and fold forward, hinging from your hips. Let your hands fall down toward the floor. Relax your neck. Let your head hang heavy. This is your standing forward fold, Uttanasana. Breathe into the back of your legs. Release any tension in your lower back. Inhale halfway up. Lift your chest and lengthen your spine forward. Keep your fingertips on the mat or on your shins. Exhale and step your left leg back. Lower your left knee down. Untuck your toes. Inhale. Reach your arms up. Open your heart. This is low lunge, Anjaneyasana. Feel the stretch in your hips and the opening in your chest. Breathe here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring your hands back to the mat. Lift your left knee. Step your right foot back into plank pose. Engage your core, shoulders over wrists. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale. Bend your elbows close to your ribs. Lower your chest and chin down to the mat. 8-point pose. Inhale, slide forward, flatten your feet, lift your chest into cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Keep your elbows soft, shoulders relaxed. Breathe gently here. Exhale, tuck your toes and lift your hips high. Come into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push the mat away with your palms, lengthen through your spine, heels reaching toward the ground. Take 5 deep breaths here, each breath opening the space between your shoulders, each exhale grounding you deeper. Now inhale, lift your left leg high behind you, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step your left foot forward between your hands, lower your right knee down, untuck your toes. Inhale, arms reach up, heart opens, low lunge. Hold and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, place your hands on the mat. Lift your right knee and step your right foot forward to meet your left. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, release your head down. Inhale, rise all the way up. Lift your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Exhale, bring your hands together at your heart, returning to prayer pose. Take a deep breath here. Feel your heartbeat, your calmness, your presence. Now let's move into the second round. This time, we'll lead with the right leg. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch long. Exhale, fold forward, releasing your head. Inhale, lift halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step your right leg back, lower the knee, untuck your toes. Inhale, arms rise, chest open, heart lifted. Exhale, hands come down, lift your right knee, step your left leg back into plank. Hold strong. Exhale, lower down through 8-point pose. Inhale, lift into cobra, open your chest. Exhale, downward facing